Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this Apple MagSafe iPhone battery pack. So this is dope. I've been looking at this for a while, and it's a battery pack made by Apple, connects to the newer iPhones that have MagSafe on them, and then it charges your phone. So pretty dope, pretty dope. This is what the package looks like. And ready for the unboxing experience. So to be honest, this is a re-unboxing because I had to use this battery pack in Vegas for a poker tournament. So let me reenact it though. All right, you pull the tab that's there, and then bam. Then this was a lot tighter on originally, but like I said, used it already, works well, boom. So this is dope. This is dope. Look at this. Look at this. So connects. Only comes in white. Hopefully they add more colors in the future. And then let me show you some Apple California. All right. Again, they should include some dope stickers of the battery pack. So get some free advertisement. Some cool stickers. Oh, let me show you all what it looks like. One second. All right. So this is how it looks like when it's attached. Okay, so we got an iPhone 13 Pro right here. Then check it out. Boom, charging. Let's go. Isn't that dope? All right, then it starts charging and that's it. All right, again, that's the MagSafe battery pack. Hope you all enjoy. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Drop a lot more cool stuff, guys. All right, see you all later. Hope you're doing well. Bye.